Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can see and delete all your sent friend requests from Facebook. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. To get started, open up the Facebook app. Tap on the menu button on the top at the right corner of the screen. Scroll a little down to go to settings and privacy and then settings again. Scroll a little down again and here you can see your activity. Below that you can see activity log. After that you have to scroll the list in the blue and here you have to find add friends. After that you can see your different activities. Here you have the options for the filters. Click on that. After that click on categories and here tap on connections. The third option, connections. After that you can see remove friends. Click on that and here you have all the friends that you sent the request. Now if you want to remove one of them or all of them, you just have to tap on three dots and here you can delete the selected one. This is how you can easily see and delete all your sent requests from the Facebook. So guys, at the end of the video, I wanna say please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Thanks guys.